Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export data from Dynatrace to Excel. So let's get straight into it. It's pretty simple, fast, and yeah, you will see. So let's say basically what you need to do is basically get to the right dashboard where you have this data. Now select the data which you have to export. So let's say this one here, and now it will open up this small toolbar, basically tools here, and click on more action, these three vertical dots, and you will see here download results as CSV file. So click on that, and now it will download this table here, and just like that you will see here we have it right here, just like that, simply as it can be, and it's now in our Excel on our computer. And yeah, this is pretty much how we can export to the Excel. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.